Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Payability, which is best payability alternative for cash flow. As an e-commerce seller, I know the pain of marketplace payout delays. You make a sale, but the cash takes weeks to hit your bank, creating a massive working capital gap, especially when you need to reorder inventory or scale advertising. Payability is a popular solution for this, but honestly, it's not the only game in town, and for many of us, it might not be the best. When you're looking for an alternative, you need to focus on what Payability primarily offers: fast access to your future marketplace revenue. But you also need to find a partner that offers better rates, more flexible terms, and broader funding options. Based on my experience, here are the top alternatives you should investigate, broken down by their main benefit. 1. Best for flexible revenue-based funding, Wayflyer or Clearco. Payability often focuses on daily payouts of your previous day's sales, which is essentially receivables factoring. An excellent alternative model is revenue-based financing, RBF, and companies like Wayflyer and Clearco are leaders here. How it works: they provide a large upfront lump sum, a capital advance, which you repay as a percentage of your future sales. The benefit: this is crucial for inventory and large ad campaigns. Repayments flex with your revenue. If you have a slow month, your repayment is lower. If you have a great month, you pay it off faster. I've found this model much better for high growth, slightly unpredictable e-commerce businesses. Wayflyer even includes analytics to help you decide how to best use the funds. 2. Best for strategic, supply chain focused funding, 8Fig. If your cash flow problem is specifically tied to inventory in your supply chain, 8Fig offers a unique approach that goes beyond a simple cash advance. How it works: they use AI to create a customized growth plan and funding schedule tied to your supply chain milestones. The money is released in tranches as you need it, like when a large inventory order is placed or when a shipment is due to arrive. The benefit: this is incredibly efficient. Instead of taking a huge early advance and paying fees on the whole amount, you get the capital exactly when each step of your inventory cycle requires it. It ensures you're funded for growth, but not over-leveraged. 3. Best for existing platform users, Shopify Capital or Amazon Lending. Don't overlook the built-in funding options from the marketplaces themselves. Shopify Capital and Amazon Lending offer a straightforward path for eligible sellers. The benefit: since they already have all your sales data, the application and approval process is often minimal, very fast, and repayment is automatic, deducted directly from your future platform sales. The terms can sometimes be highly competitive, though they are often invite-only, and you lose the benefit of comparing multiple external offers. When moving away from Payability, the key is to determine why you need the funding. If you need a large, flexible advance for scaling ads or inventory, look at Wayflyer or Clearco for RBF. If you need precise capital management tied to your cost of goods, explore 8Fig. Always read the fine print on the fees, the fixed repayment terms, and whether there are any personal guarantees required. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.